Hello and welcome back to Tammy's Restorations channel. And today I have this wonderful little doll here. Well, no, she's not so little. She's about a 26, 27-inch doll. But she was given to me by my husband back about 5, 6 years ago for Valentine's Day. Now, I had her dressed up this year for Christmas time. And but I never did show her in her dress or anything. I was going to do a nice little Christmas display with all the dolls, but I never got around to it because of losing John this year. Things just didn't come together. But anyways, there's next year, and I'm hoping then to do a nice Christmas display of all my dolls. But anyways, she is in her Christmas clothes. I did dress a few up, but not many. But anyways, she looks rather festive, but we need to take her out of this now and put something else on her. So I dug through all my clothes and I found an outfit that I hadn't even put on my dolls yet, and I went, my goodness, what am I doing? So anyways, what I'm going to do is put her into the outfit, and I bought it back probably about, I can't even remember, I'm not even going to say, but anyways, I have it. So anyhow, let's change her. And she's what they call is a mama doll. I got this at an antique store here in my own city here. And back, like I said, about 5, 6 years ago, John bought this for me. Now, the thing is, we weren't looking for dolls at the time. We just thought, let's just go into this antique store that we never go into. And when I got to the back, on a chair, I think it was an adult chair, this doll was sitting, and all John heard was, ooh, and he knew it was time to get the wallet out. So when he heard that, that was time to buy Tammy a doll. But it was Valentine's Day, or if it wasn't, it was very close to it. So, and I always come up with reasons why he needs to buy me a doll, and that was one of my reasons at the time. And he couldn't get out of it. So anyhow, you gotta have reasons, I guess, for some of this. But anyhow, we're going to dress her. There we go. So anyways, we'll just put her dress over there. And she has her red little booties on. Take those off of her. And this comes with leotards, so I'm going to take these leotards off of her. And I'm going to check the camera what you're seeing in a second here, after I get these off of her. And I got my voice pretty much back. I lost my voice completely with this virus. But it's really hanging on. Like, it does not want to give up, this virus. When it gets you, it gets you. But anyhow, as that may be, oh yeah, you can't see it. Here, let me get the camera so that you can see what I'm seeing. There we go. There we go. So we'll do her changing while she's laying down. So this is the outfit that I found sitting in my closet, hanging in the closet. So it says $24.99 down to $15, but I might even got it for less. I can't remember. So, and it's 6 to 9 months, so I'm pretty sure this will fit her. So let's try it on her. I try to think about my bigger dolls all the time. They're easier to dress than the little dolls because either you got to make their clothes or have a good supply somehow for them, but have a good supply of doll clothes for them. Now I'm having some problems getting this out. Let's see. You can get this. I'm on a hiatus right now of any dolls, getting any more dolls. I'm working on the shop out back and getting rid of a lot of stuff out there. And then I'm going to have it put heating in there. And, there we go. And, oh, man, you're not going to steal these things because it's all attached to the hanger. There we go. Wow. I want heating, cooling. I want insulation, heating, cooling, and water put out there. So right now, before I can even do it, I got to strip it out. And I've got to, oh, aren't those cute? Oh my goodness, look at these. So anyways, we're going to, they got little bows on the feet, and it looks like little ballet slippers that are printed right into the leotards itself. So cute. Now this doll needs some restoration. She does. I think her paint is acrylic for sure. She's been a repaint, and she's got a lot of lifting. So, but that's something down the road. She's not desperate, not like some of my other dolls that I have here. They're more desperate than her. So she just isn't on the list for restoration yet. But we'll get to her. Once I get this shop up and running. I can't say I'm going to do a lot of restoring this year because of the fact of what I'm involved in and getting this shop ready to get workmen in there to run a water line out there, and then to there we go, and then to get other men in there to insulate it, wire it, electrician, the whole 9 yards. But first I got to get stuff out so they can get in. So, oh, more. We got more tags. They're not going away, these tags. So let's get rid of this tag here. There we go, that's gone. I would have loved this for my little girl. I say that to a lot of stuff because I just find it so cute. But pink wasn't really her color. It was, but she was a little bit darker, so I liked other colors on her. She looked good in reds and deeper colors, you know, than the lighter colors. They did better with her skin tones and everything, but anyhow, that may be. But I did put pink on her. She wore it just as well. So, okay. See how this works on her. See if you're seeing what I'm seeing. Oh yeah, you're seeing it. Okay, good. Put this arm in. We're getting some snow yet last night when I was coming home from work, but the best part was it didn't stick. It's the best kind of snow that I like. It's the unstickable. Oh, this looks so cute on her. Made for her. Why was I not putting this on her before? There we go. Okay, I'll let you see her with this. Oh my goodness, she looks gorgeous. You sit, you can sit. I had you sitting before. There we go. Okay. All over. You got enough cracks on you. Okay, let's get this up so you can see her. Oh my goodness. Let's just push this out a little bit. There we go. And there's Yogi Bear sitting there. I found one at my thrift store, Value Village. I was out there one day, and lo and behold, there was a big old Yogi Bear sitting there, and I went, oh, you're mine. I wasn't a big cartoon watcher as a kid. I mean, that's all we had as kids to watch. I never liked cartoons a whole lot. I like real life movie type of thing. But Yogi Bear was one I remember watching. Loved Yogi Bear and Boo Boo. So, but anyways, isn't this cute on her? And as we say, a little bit big, you'll grow into it. But darn, our dolls don't. But anyhow, it doesn't matter. She looks adorable. I'm going to put a nice bonnet on her. I pulled a bonnet out for her. This is a pretty big bonnet, but that's good. Oh, she looks sweet. Oh, there we go. Got to keep her head warm. It's winter here. So there's her nice little shoes. She's got her little built-on shoes. She's got little bows. Let's see if I can show those to you. The nice little... Put that foot up there. There. Oh, there we go. Put that foot up there, and you can see the nice little bows right on the foot. And it's little ballet slippers built right into it to make it look like shoes. I think that's really cute. I like that. Well, anyways, there she is, my Valentine Day baby that my husband gave to me 6 years ago. I think she's just beautiful. You know what, we're going to have to roll up some of these. I don't like rolling up sleeves. I just don't like the look. But, oh, there's another piece of a tag. There it is, right there. Got it. But there is nothing I can do about it. I don't like roll-up sleeves. I like them to, but I'm just going to have to. Her hands better get covered up. There we go. I don't like it. But I am being forced to do it. See, what I sometimes like to do is just put the... Let me do that a little bit. There we go. All right. That doesn't look too bad, I guess. But anyways, oh, the dress is sweet on her, though. She is a beauty in that. That fits her perfectly. What a wonderful nice little dress that is. Let's come up close on the dress. You can see the dress itself. Nice embroidery up on the collar there. Come up on that. And then we can go down on the dress like this, and you can see the dress itself. Really pretty. That's a pretty little wool dress. Okay, everybody. Well, I thought I'd share that with you. And the doll changing here. And I think she looks rather sweet. So we're going to leave it at that right now. And I'm going to come back probably again with another video. I've got a couple in my head right now that I'd like to make up. But I thought you'd like to see me at least change her into this. I was going through a lot of my doll clothes and seeing what I all had and sorting things out. I'm doing a lot of sorting lately. And this popped out, and I went, oh my goodness. Why I have not had this on my doll, I don't know. I found a few other little outfits, but nothing great or grand, but not like this anyways. I think it was one of those things that I meant to do and just never got around to it. Or I could have bought it like in the late winter, and then I thought, oh, the next following winter, I'll put that on one of my dolls, and forgot, which happens to me. So, but anyways, I'm glad to get back on here and make this video for everybody. I hope you're having a great weekend. This is Sunday. I got to go into work later. But anyways, I thought I'd make this for everybody and say hello to everybody. And for all my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it and watching my videos. I know I don't say thank you enough. And I'm going to try starting to say thank you a little bit more. Because I am grateful for everybody out there, old and new subscribers out there, and sticking with me through the ups and downs of my life and where I am, and trying to regather myself again and finding my focus again. And I hope as I move along, I'll be able to do some videos of me progressing in my shop. Right now, it's boxes to the ceiling because we had everything in boxes. And the mice want to come in and they want to take over on the boxes. And I'm not going to let that happen. So the boxes are going out. And plastic tubs are coming in, and I am going through everything. I went through pictures, everything. And I've sorted through a lot of stuff. And a lot of stuff we just don't need anymore. And so there's a lot going on. And I wanted to make some videos as I progress through this. Right now, I can't video right at this time in there. There's just too much. But once I get it down just a bit more, then I'm going to start videoing my progress through this and let you see each stage as I go through and seeing this shop out in my backyard turn into a doll shop and see the transformation of it happening. And I would like to have that on video and share that with you. Right now, I just got to get a few more things done out there, and then I'm going to start videoing out there, and I can get up there, and what I'm doing is the attic right now, because I got to empty the attic out so that I can bring stuff from the bottom that I want to keep and bring it up top. But the attic floor doesn't go from corner to corner. So I also got to make room for the men to come in to seal it up there so that I don't lose my heating and my cooling up through the roof. So I got a lot of stuff going on. And I also need a door made. I want a sliding door to go over the ladder. That has to be made so that so I can seal that part off. So there's a lot of stuff that has to be done. Carpenters, everything. So it's a step-by-step process that's got to go on. So as I move through this, I will video it and let you see how the transformation comes around. And 90% of my dolls are going to be going out there. Right now, I've had to bring a lot in so that I can move out there. So a lot of stuff going on. So stay tuned. A lot to come this year. There won't be too much in the doll restoration. I'm going to do some. Maybe some easy stuff. I got to finish that restore a doll with me type of thing. That doll has just been sitting. So I want to come back to her and get her done. So I've got her body cut out. All I have to do now is sew it up. So I am going to progress and show that too to you. That I will finish with everybody. Let's restore a doll together. That I'm going to pick back up again, and we're going to carry on with her and deal with her. So anyway, stay tuned. A lot to come. I'm starting to get my focus back in the doll world, and it's going to be some good stuff there. So thank you for joining me, and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.